So we'll start the ages repeated questions, the most important questions. Total 16 questions are there. So I have solved 14 questions. So remaining will be homework for you. So we'll start. The present age of A is 5 years more than B. After 5 years, A's age will be twice B's age. Find the present age. So 2 points you should keep. The present age of A is 5 years more than B. So difference will not change. So there is a difference. Present age of B is 5 years more than B. If it is more than B or less than B, it means it is a difference. After 5 years, A's age will be twice its age. The ratio is 2:1. Twice the B's age. The ratio will not change. Since there is a difference of 5 years and there is a ratio of 2:1, so we will take the difference in ratio. That is, one part is equals to 5 years, then two parts is equals to 10 years. So A's age is equals to 10 and B's age is equals to 5. Okay. Next, the ratio of A's of A is to B is 3:5. After 10 years, the ratio becomes 5:7. Find the present ages. So present ratio is 3:5. After 10 years, ratio is 5:7. So 2 points to be noted. Number one, ratio difference is same. If you see both ratios, the difference between ratios is same. That is 5 minus 3 to 7 minus 5 to. Ages difference also will be same. So this kind of issues directly we can take answer. A is equals to 10 multiplied by 3 is equals to 30 years. B is equals to 10 multiplied by 5, that is equals to 50 years. So we have to note that if the ratio difference is same, then only this kind of technique should use. Okay. So third question. 10 years ago, age of Ram was half of Shyam's age. If Shyam is now 40 years old, what is Ram's present age? So 10 years ago ratio is 1:2. That is, half of Shyam means 1:2. Ram was half of Shyam is 1:2. If Shyam is now 40 years old, what is Ram's present age? So note, wherever ratio is there, the ratio is 10 years ago. So wherever ratio is there, then age should be modified or brought to that level. So Shyam's present age is 40 years. Correct? Then 10 years ago, Shyam's age will be 30 years. Hence, Ram's age is equals to 15 years since it is half, because 10 years ago Ram was ratio is 1:2. If Shyam's age is 30, then it is half, that is 15 years. So present age will become 15 plus 10, 25 years. Fourth question. 6 years ago, A was 4 times as old as B. 6 years ago. After 6 years, or hence 6 years, A will be twice as old as B. So they have given two ratios. 6 years ago, one ratio. After 6 years, one ratio. Here the note we have taken. Here difference in ratios is not same. If you see 4 minus 1, 3, 2 minus 1, 1. So difference is not same. So this kind of problems we will solve on particular method. Okay. 6 years ago, 4:1 ratio. After 6 years, it is 2:1. So total, we have to add this 6 plus 6, 12 years into, we have to take any ratio we can take before 6 years or after 6 years, any ratio. Here I have taken 6 years ago ratio. So 12 into S4 into next ratio difference, that is 2 minus 1 is equals to 1 by cross multiplication difference, that is 4 into 1 4 minus 2 into 1 2. 4 minus 2 is 2, that is equals to 48 by 2, that is equals to 24. So 24 is 6 years ago. So you have to take plus 6, that is equals to 30 years. So B is equals to, simply we can tell 24. If 4 parts 24, then one part is equals to 6. That's all, no? So B is 6 years ago. 6 plus 6 present is equals to 12 years. So A's age is 30 years and B's age is 12 years. Next question. The present age of father is 4 times that of his son. After 10 years or hence 10 years, you can tell after or hence anyone. After 10 years, father's age will be twice the son's age. Find the present ages. The present age of father is 4 times of his son, 4 is to 1. After 10 years, 2 is to 1. So present ages they are telling. So 4 is to 1. After 10 years, it became 2 is to 1. Here also the ratio difference is not same. So we have to follow the earlier problem method only. So 10 into, we have to take 10. So earlier problem it is 2. Before 6 years, after 6 years, so we have added 2. 6 plus 6, 12. Here only 10. We have to take, you should not anything. So 10 we have to take. 10 into father, 4 into next ratio difference, 1 by cross multiplication difference. 4 minus 2, 2. That is equals to 40 by 2. That is equals to 20 years. 20 years is father's age and 5 years is son's age. Next question. After 8 years, age of A will be 4 times B's age. If A is now 24, then find the B's present age. So they have given ratio after 4 years, after 8 years, that 8 years ratio is 4 is to 1. A is now 24 years. So find the B's present age. So you have to take here clear. A is now 24 years. Wherever ratio is there, the ratio is 8 years back, that is 4 is to 1. So A's age is 24 now. So 8 years before, after 8 years, his age becomes 32. That's all now, because the point is wherever ratio, we should modify age. We have to take there. Okay. So A's age is equals to 32 after 8 years. So B's age is equals to 4 into 8. B's age is equals to 32. B's age is equals to 8 parts, 4 into 8, 32. So 1 part, it becomes 8 years. So B's age after 8 years is 8 years. So that means present age becomes 0 years. But this is hypothetical, because this kind of question will not come. Maybe the question is wrong. In R.S. Agrawal I have seen, maybe the question is wrong. Okay. So 7th question. The ratio of ages of A and B is 4 is to 7. If the difference of their ages is 9 years, find their present ages. So one note, ratio difference is equals to difference in ages. The difference in ratio is difference in ages. So difference in ratio 7 minus 4, 3 is equals to 9 years. Then 4 parts will become 12 years. 3 into 3, 9. 4 into 3, 12, 12 years. So 7 into 3, 21 years. The ages of A is 12 years and B is 21 years. Okay. Next. Present age of 3 persons are in the ratio of 2 is to 3 is to 4. If sum of their ages is 54, find their ages. Same method. The sum of the ratios is equals to sum of their ages. So ratio sum is 9 parts, 4 plus 3 plus 2, 9 parts. 9 parts 54, then 2 parts is equals to 9 6 is 54. So 2 into 6, 12 years. 3 into 6, 18 years. 4 into 6, 24 years. A is equals to 12, B is equals to 18, C is equals to 24 years. Age of father is 3 times age of his son. This is 9th question. Age of father is 3 times age of his son. After 15 years, father's age will be twice the son's age. Find the present ages. Here also the ratio difference is not same. So we have to follow the method, earlier method. So 3 is to 1, age of his son. Age of 3 times of his son means it is present. If they have not mentioned anything, then we should assume it as present ratio only. After 15 years, 2 is to 1. So that is equals to present ages is equals to, since it is present, 15 into 3 into next ratio difference, 1 by cross multiplication difference. 3 minus 2 is equals to 1. That is equals to 45 years is father's age. Then 3 parts 45 means 1 part will become divided by 3. That is 15 years. Okay. Next question. 10th one. A's mother is 21 years older than her daughter. After 6 years, mother's age will be twice the daughter's age. Find the present ages. A's mother is 21 years older than her daughter, means they have given difference between mother and daughter's age difference. If it is 21 years older or 21 years younger, we have to take it as difference only. Okay. After 6 years, ratio is 2 is to 1. Since the ratio is 2 is to 1 after 6 years, so we have to take one part is equals to 21, two parts is equals to, since difference in ratio is one part is equals to 21, two parts is equals to 42. This 42 was after 6 years. So present mother's age is equals to minus 6, that is equals to 36 years. 42 minus 6, that is equals to 36 years. Because ratio is after 6 years, whenever we are doing difference calculation, the age will come same as ratios after 6 years age. So we have to minus it. 42 minus 6, 36 years. Okay. Eleventh question. The average age of 5 students is 14 years. When a new student joins, average become 15 years. Find the age of new student. So this is simple. This is average based question. We have to find the total age of 5 students, that is 14 into 5, 70. The total age of 6 students, 15 to 6, 90. So difference is 20 years. This is the age of new student. Average age of family of 4 members is 30 years. When the youngest member joins, average becomes 28 years. Find the age of youngest. Same, just like earlier method. Total age of 4 members is equals to 30 into 4, 120. Total age of 5 members is equals to 28 into 5, 140. The difference is equals to 20 years. So the age of youngest is 20 years. 13th question. The difference between ages of A and B is 12 years. The difference they have given. If the ratio of their ages is 3 is to 5, find their ages. So the difference they have given, so we have to take the difference between ratio, that is 5 minus 3. 2 parts is equals to 12 years. Then 3 parts is equals to 18 years. 2 into 6, 12. So we'll get 3 into 6, 18. 5 into 6, 30. So A is equals to 18 years. B is equals to 13 years. 30 years. Last question, 14th one. A is 8 years older than B. So older means there is a difference. Older or younger, we should take it as difference. After 4 years, A's age will be 5 by 4 times B's age. Find the present age. 5 by 4 times means 5 is to 4. A's ratio is 5, B's ratio is 4, means 5 is to 4. So after 4 years, 5 is to 4. So one part is equals to difference they have given. So one part is equals to 8 years. The difference between ratio is 1. So difference between A and B is 8. So one part is 8 years. 5 parts is equals to 40. 4 parts is equals to 32. So age is equals to 40. That is after 4 years it is 40. So we have to bring before 4 years. So 40 minus 40 minus 8. 40 minus 8 is equals to 32. 32 minus 8 is equals to 24. Okay, right. So next section will be on percentages, because similarly we will take percentages or average. Based on this, we will prepare the more important questions. Okay, so please for more updates, please subscribe. Thank you.